you can see, it's a nice shelf. It holds most things really well. I was very happy with it for my purposes. I use it as a coffee station and docking station, but this top shelf is like a little wobbly. I actually taped the feet down just to be sure that if this gets bent or bumped or whatever, it doesn't fall down. But all in, I'm not unhappy with it. Also, if you have that Instapot, it'll fit. But my Paula Deen air fryer just would not fit anywhere in here. It was both too tall and too wide for even these shelves. But this is nice. It has stoppers, so it shouldn't fall out. And so, all in, not a bad coffee/snack station.
Batista and all the little Hitlers that are still kind of, populating Latin America. And of course, that didn't happen. What happened was that the Cold War shifted the terms of debate, and the United States shifted its support away from social democrats and the idea that democracy and development went hand in hand towards an idea that order and stability